Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have our first triple unboxing. This one is from Abyss Aquatic Warehouse in the UK. Nice little personal note included saying how awesome our YouTube channel is and how we should have more subscribers. Not really, all it says is that the Clown Rasbora that we also ordered aren't in stock, so leave my name and address on display to help all the stalkers out there. If you are in the UK, I recommend you giving their website a little bit of a look. They do have some quite rare stuff on there. And they've not let us down so far. Right, so this is the first of our L Plecos King Tiger. That's a nice size. It's bigger than I expected, to be honest. That's one. This one's one of the slightly smaller ones. They gave us three larger ones because the Clown Rasbora weren't in stock, unfortunately. They were in stock, but they felt that they weren't in good enough quality to send out, so they upgraded our order to 3 larger Plecos, and I'm pretty happy with that. That's a nice one. Here's another big one. I mean, they look really terrible in the bags, as you expect, as we go through every time. I'll soon get them in a tank. We'll film adding them to the tank and see how they get along. There's another. I think it's a smaller one. Looks more colour on that one, but then they've been through shipping, so it's to be expected. It's nice though. It looks nice and healthy. Yeah, happy with them. You happy with them, babe? What do you think?
Yeah, like you said, they don't have much colour, but they look pretty neat.
Okay, so let's get them acclimated and put into their new home. This is going to be their new home in with our Bloody Mary shrimp and best of the best steaks. There's a couple of random fish in here as well. First one's going in. We've acclimated these already, so I believe that's a female. Less coloration. I believe that's a female as well. And that one, that must be the 3 females. They did say 3 females, 2 males, so that must be the 3 females. Yeah, that would look really healthy. Obviously the colour's not that impressive at the moment, but I'm sure that'll change. We'll get some footage in a day or so once they've settled in. We haven't got any Pleco caves at the minute. They're on the way, so hopefully we'll get them tomorrow. This is now a couple of days later, and they've settled in really well. Yeah, as you can see, the colorations come out quite a lot. Still not as dark and distinguished as I thought they'd be, but they're really nice. We're happy with them, and they're eating well. Oh, there's another one going under the bogwood. Stair kennel, nice stair kennel in the way, and we've got our caves, so they're happy with these. They've already taken up residence in one. As soon as we turn out off the lights, they're all out and about, but as you know with Plecos, they're quite shy. Box 2. The second box from our triple unboxing video is from a seller on eBay, and this is how they arrived. Literally no packaging, well, obviously the box, but no insulation, nothing to stop them rattling around. When the postman handed them to us, the box was sideways. Yeah.
Totally unimpressed.
There's 10 of these snowball Plecos. They're very small babies. Hopefully they're going to be okay and aren't too distressed from their journey in a box like that. I mean, why would you not put in some bubble wrap or just some...
Or at least a smaller box so it doesn't run as much.
Yeah, this is the joys of eBay and buying fish. So let's get them acclimated, put them in the aquarium, and show you how they look once in. This is the Snowball Plecos L102 in the aquarium. They look nice.
They're so cute.
Just hope that the journey doesn't have any long-lasting effect on them. Yes, they're nice and colourful, very, very small. So we put them in with our nano fish at the moment, just because of the size. So we can keep a better eye on them. Yeah, so happy with them. Box 3. Then we come over to our third box in the unboxing video. These actually arrived about a week after the last two, but we decided to hold out for unboxing videos so we could do a triple unboxing and then not bore everyone with just putting up video after video of unboxings. So these are some nano fish that we got, some more Rasboras, different types of Rasbora. I can't see in the bag again. I believe these are either the chili Rasboras or the what's known as the dwarf Rasbora, so known as the spotted Rasbora. 10 of each. I'm not sure which is which because they look so similar, and the bag obviously distorts the view. So these will be going into our new nano setup. We'll put them in a quarantine for a couple, at least a week or two, just to make sure they're not carrying any disease, and then we'll stick them in here. So we'll get them unpackaged now and put them in with our orange pumpkin shrimp and show you what they look like once they're in the aquarium. This is the new Rasbora in their temporary new home. They've only been in here for several hours, so they're not fully coloured up. You can see the difference between the males and females. The males are distinctively brighter in coloration than the females. It looks like we have mostly females in this case. There's a male there, one of the spotted dwarf Rasbora, and there's a chili Rasbora male there. They're so fast it's difficult to focus. Yeah, so they're in with our pumpkin shrimp for now. Just give them a few weeks before we add them to our nano tank. Excuse the tank, it's quite a mess. It's just one of our holding tanks. A lot of scratches on the glass. So yeah, they all seem happy and healthy so far. Hopefully they're going to colour up a little bit more. And that's them. And that brings us to the end of our triple unboxing video. Just to give you guys a quick update on SLB's rainbow fish. They're still doing really well. We haven't lost a single one. 4 weeks in now, I believe. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, as always. We really appreciate it, and we will see you in the next one.
Thanks, bye.